Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious donuts without any butter. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, and baking powder for the dry mix. For the wet components, prepare milk, eggs, and a neutral oil like vegetable or canola. Gently combine these two mixtures, stirring just enough to bring them together. Overmixing can lead to tough donuts, so be careful. This simple approach ensures a light and airy texture every time. Once your dough is ready, turn it out onto a lightly floured surface. Knead it gently for just a couple of minutes to develop a smooth texture. Next, roll the dough to an even thickness, aiming for about 1/2 inch. Use a donut cutter or 2 different sized round cutters to shape your donuts. Heat your frying oil to a precise 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place a few donuts into the hot oil, frying them until they are beautifully golden brown on both sides. This usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes per side. Hey everyone, if you're finding these butter-free donut tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more delicious recipes. Quick recommendation. On another note, imagine listening to your favorite cooking playlist while making these donuts. Bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's perfect for setting timers or playing music hands-free. You can find the link for the Echo Dot and other fantastic deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now for the best part, glazing. While your donuts are still warm, prepare a simple glaze. You'll need powdered sugar, a splash of milk, and a touch of vanilla extract. Whisk these together until smooth. Dip each warm donut into the glaze, making sure it's fully coated. Lift the donut, allowing any excess glaze to drip back into the bowl. Place them on a wire rack to set. The warmth of the donut helps the glaze adhere perfectly, creating that irresistible sweet finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.